Cabletime is an 8-in-1 USB-C hub and stand for iPad Pro and Mac. It is a versatile device that can be used to connect a variety of peripherals to your tablet or laptop, such as external displays, storage devices, and printers. The hub also has a built-in stand that allows you to prop up your iPad or Mac at an angle for comfortable viewing. Here are some of the key features of Cabletime. 8 ports, 1x USB-C 100 watts PD, 2x USB at 10 Gbps, 1x HDMI 4Cat 60 Hz, 1x SD card reader, 1x microSD card reader, 1x gigabit Ethernet, 1x 3.5mm audio jack. Foldable design, the hub folds into a compact size for easy portability. Built-in stand, the stand allows you to prop up your iPad or Mac at an angle for comfortable viewing. Compatible with iPad Pro 11 inches, iPad Pro 12.9 inches, and MacBook Air Pro with M1 and M2 chip. Cabletime is a great way to expand the capabilities of your iPad Pro or Mac. It is a versatile and portable device that is perfect for students, professionals, and creatives. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.